Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here with Chef Pamela. Today we will be making a cantaloupe juice for nice hot summer days. So let's get to it. So for the cantaloupe juice, we will be using one whole cantaloupe, which I have already prepped out. The one cantaloupe, we will peel it, take all the seeds out, and then large dice it because it's going to be blended either way. We will be using 3 cups of cold water, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We'll begin by pouring in our cantaloupe into the blender, adding in our 3 cups of water, and blending the cantaloupe. Our cantaloupe juice is nice, and I will be using a large bowl. We will pour the juice in. I only use this bowl for the purpose of being able to mix everything and incorporate it all well, and then I will pour everything into my container that I will store it in. So now we will add in our carnation milk, which is the evaporated milk. Our condensed milk, we're gonna add all of it. This is like a juice slash smoothie. So if all of it is not like if you don't drink all of it in one shot, when you're going to drink it on the next day, you can just shake it well and then pour yourself a glass. We will mix this well. You can also strain it so you don't feel the cantaloupe, like pulp of the cantaloupe. So now we will pour in our 2 teaspoons of vanilla, our 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. We will add in ice to cool it. Once our ice is in, we will just mix it to get the drink nice and cold before serving. It will also help to dissolve the ices. Our ices are now fully dissolved, so now we will pour it into our jar. This is our final product for our cantaloupe juice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.